Hi, today news is the moment the manhunt for Daniel Khalifa came to end, the former British soldier turned terror suspect finally arrested 3 days after his audacious escape from prison. We later learned Khalifa had strapped himself under this food delivery truck. Hiding in plain sight using a makeshift sling from a pair of trousers, he escaped for a short time. Was successful. CCTV captured his movements as he brought clothes from Marks and Spencer's chain in a nearby McDonald's, and even read about his escape in a newspaper. But his arrest was inevitable, and when confronted on this canal road, Khalifa made no attempt to resist. Instead, he later said, "This I was finally demonstrating what a foolish idea it was to have someone of my skill set in prison. What use was that? So anyone, it wasn't the first time he had attempted to use his so-called skill sets. He was being held on remand accused of spying for Iran, but Khalifa says it was all a bluff. His intention was to prove himself a useful double agent. I don't think Daniel should come and work for any UK agency, and I think Daniel committed some extremely serious offenses. I like to think of him as a bit of a Walter character who ultimately had a very substantial real world impact." Khalifa joined the army age 16 and by 17 had made contact with Iranian agents. Drawers were shown this selfie of Khalifa taken at a park in London back in 2019. It was here Khalifa left documents in exchange for £1,500 wrapped up in a dog poo bag. Video recorded by Khalifa himself showed had even traveled to Turkey to meet Iranian agents, and voice notes heard in court revealed something was delivered. "We went to Turkey and the plane kind of went so I delivered a package to them. I don't think I should tell you, but just don't mention it to anyone." Claims he wanted to be James Bond but only passed on fabricated or useless information. But the court was also shown images taken by Khalifa in restricted army areas. Khalifa had repeatedly contacted British security services, partially informing them of his plans, but M15 didn't require Khalifa. They reported him to police, whilst his defense claimed Khalifa was merely naive and stupid but innocent. The jury ultimately agreed with the prosecution case that Khalifa played a game to fuel his ego, enjoying the thrill of deception at the risk of national security. Thank you.